Okay guys, how are you guys doing today? This is a beautiful week, which I know you experience also. Well, look at me, how I'm just doing my small cat walking. Just the waka small, just see make I just look small mirror, you know, understand? Because as week dey so work don already start. Na wetin we dey into be that. And again, I just make a chill for here. I just pack my head because na work things na we dey. You can just pack the hair very well. They come the reason whether make I use rubber band take hold this hair and make I just plait am like that. And then I know say this fashion wey I dey do am now, this style wey I dey do am now na old style. So I come the reason whether make I continue to dey plait am like this, abi make I go cut the weave make e dey short. Many of us don't see that weave wey dey always dey short. That one dey fit person, e dey fit me sef. So now I come the reason say say which one I will do this hair now make e dey okay. I come tie am like this, e no work out. I come say make I carry am go this way. You understand? E no work out. I come say wetin I go do am now. I come say okay like this. E no work out. And already me I don dey already dey sing song. I no even send anybody message. So now I come carry the hair, come hide am inside like that. E no still work out. Now I come comot am. So come dey sing small song. Come say make I just catch small cruise. And I come carry the phone, dey video my face. Say make I look whether this face fine small, abi no fine at all. I come say well, the face fine small, but make I just use the opportunity, make I video my face, make I know what's up. I come say this week go hot oh, yay! Say work don already stand gidigba. You understand? Say maybe the next 2 hours I go just show for this camera of a thing, na just to do something wey make sense also. So this one na maybe your girl Joy, you understand? I just dey catch small cruise. I go say no wow Joy, no be even say see your stature. This your stature make sense. So come be as if say you never even drop one pikin. Why na one pikin na don come off your belly. If I even stand up sef na so my belly will come dey flat as if say one never come out. You know say some people do not dey proud of themselves. Me I dey proud of myself because I know say e no easy make one pikin come out for belly. You know say as I dey pino. Oh gosh, this girl come this your belly make sense. You know see you know see the girl. You know see the girl. This girl I go just dress at times. You come dey ask her. Now wow, whether something never entered that belly before. That's so you be good stature makes sense.